RT News can reveal that two Fianna Fáil politicians, Senator Timmy Dooley, who's also the Vice President of the EU political grouping ALDE, and that's interesting insofar as that President next door in Ukraine is also a member of that grouping. But Senator Timmy Dooley has travelled to Lviv with the Munster MEP Billy Kelleher, and they went to meet the Mayor of Lviv, the Regional Governor of Lviv, some MEPs from that district. They travelled back into Poland in the past hour, and Timmy Dooley gave me his reaction.
They want more help from Europe. They want more helmets and bulletproof jackets. They've had small numbers, and that's something that Ireland has committed to doing, so we'll be certainly taking that back home. They want to see an orderly pass-through of people from Ukraine through to Europe. We've observed it behind. There's probably a 20-kilometre tailback of cars. I'd say there's people in a queue of maybe 5 kilometres. It's dark. It's now heading for the night. They're not going to get through till morning at the earliest. People are queuing for 2 days back there.
I asked Senator Dooley whether or not this was something that could have been a Zoom meeting and conducted in that way, and he said, well, the invitation actually came from the Ukrainian side, and they wanted to show solidarity with them and show how important they felt their mission was. I asked him whether Taoiseach Micheál Martin had approved of it, and he said, well, this was an ALDE operation.